This is Sonny Dago with his counterpart, Sean Viking, Cool.0, up here at Mount Hood, representing Raider Nation. Now, up here in Oregon, it's called springboarding. Not like you're jumping on a spring, but like you're riding on the snow in the middle of, like springtime. So here it is. It's not snow, but I'm snowboarding on it. It's freaking amazing. And in my head, it's the autumn wind. You know, beautiful sound of the autumn wind. Wonder and conquer and pillage and laugh when he's conquered and won. So, while I ride down the mountain, I wanted to check in from Timberline Lodge saying, all you Raider fans, just did a jump. Sports Pickles coming live Sunday night, I believe around 9 Pacific or perhaps 10 Pacific. It's Mother's Day, so we might do a Mother's Day tribute show. Not sure. Signing off.